Welcome to A Mile a Minute. Trending in the past week, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, while presenting the Union budget for 2022 and 2023, said that there will be an increased focus on expanding EV infrastructure across the country. More EV charging and battery swapping stations will be encouraged to help vehicle owners to shift to electric cars without having range anxiety. Nirmala Sitharaman also quoted saying that the private sector will be encouraged to create sustainable and innovative business models for battery and energy as a service, improving the efficiency of the EV ecosystem. Aston Martin launched its new DBX 707 SUV. The number 707 stands for the 707 PS of power that the SUV produces, which helps it achieve a 0 to 100 time of 3.3 seconds. Powering the SUV is a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 combined with a 9-speed wet clutch gearbox, which produces a torque of 900 Nm. The DBX 707 gets a new race start feature and carbon ceramics as standard to bring the car to a halt quickly. There are also cosmetic changes to the exterior of the vehicle, including a new bumper design with larger front grille and DRLs. Changes also include a sporty front splitter, a rear diffuser, side skirts and quad exhaust. Tell us what you think in the comments down below. We'll be back soon with more news stories. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button before you go and tap the bell icon to never miss an update.